Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Banking Hatke, and in this video I am going to discuss few simplification questions based on percentages which you can solve in mind if you do in this way. So let's start our video. Our first question is given as 16.66% of 37.5% of 528. So this 16.66 percentage, this can be written as 16 2 by 3 percentage. If we simplify this, we would get 50 over 3 percentage. If we remove this percentage, we have to put 100 here, so it will simply gives us 1 by 6. Therefore it's 1 by 6 of 37.5 percentage. We know that 25 percentage will be 25 by 100 or 1 by 4, so half of it would gives us 12.5 percentage, that is 1 by 8. Now this 37.5, since 12 3s are 36, so this is 3 times this 12.5, so we can write it as 3 by 8 into this 528. So if we just simply cut this one, we will get the value for this question as 33. So 33 is our answer for the first question. Now let's move on to our next question. In this question, we have to find the fraction value for this 41.66 percentage. This 41.66 percentage can be written as 40 percentage plus 1.66 percentage. Now this 40 percentage, this can be written as 40 over 100, which is equal to by 5, and this 1.66 percentage, this can be treated as 16.6 over 10. As we have seen in our last question, this 16.6% gives us 1 by 6, so this would give us 1 by 60. So if we simplify this further, we would get 25 over 60 or 5 over 12. So we can easily write it as 5 over 12 into 156 plus. Now in our previous question, we have discussed, or we have seen, that 12.5 percentage value for 12, fractional value for 12.5 percentage gives us 1 by 8, and we know also that 12 5s are 60, so we can easily conclude that if we multiply this one with 5, we will get this. But since 56% is there, no, it's not 62.5%, so first we have to just interchange it as 56 of 62.5 percentage. So just calculate the first portion, so we will get 65 from the first portion, and from the second portion it's 56 of this 62.5% can be written as 5 over 8. So if we simplify, we would simply get 65 plus 30, that is 100 as our answers. So next, move on to our next question. In this question, the percentage values are such that if we convert it into fraction, it won't help us much. So what can we do? We can simply just factorize these numbers. 77 can be written as 7 into 11. This 38 can be written as 19 into 2. 57 as 19/3, and 22 as 22 into 11. So now if we observe this properly, we can see that we can take 7 into 19 into 2 as common along with this percentage sign. So from the first term we are left, it's not 7, it's 11. 11 into 9 and 2, 11, 19 and 2. Okay, if we take 11 into 19 into 2 percentage common, so from first term we are left with 7, and from the second term we are left with 3, which is equal to 418 into this question mark. I'm writing it as x. So now we can easily just simplify this. We will get x as 4 percentage, and the value for this gives us 0.04. So this is our answer. Now move on to our next question. In this question, as we have done in previously in second question, just interchanging the values, in this question also we can change that is 25% of 93.33. again we are taking this question mark as x over 900. Now this can help us, as we know 25%, the fraction value for 25% is 1/4. now this 93.33 can be written as 1/3. so if we simplify, we would simply get, first we have to multiply then add. So 93 into 3, that is 90, first 90 into 3, then 3 into 3, and then 1. So we will get 280. Therefore 280 over 3 equal x by 900. Now just simplify it properly. We will get x as 21,000. So this is our answer. Now next move on to our last question for this video. It is given that 91.66% of 3240. Now this 91.66% can be written as 91 2/3%. So from the previous one we can just solve it as 270, then 3, then 2, that is 275 over 300. if we remove this percentage, okay, this can be written as 275 over 300 into 3240. in this case also I'm writing this question mark as x. Now from RHS, what can we do? We can simply multiply and subtract, but that would be very calculative one. So what can we do? We can take 27 common. If we 27 common, we can simply observe that 27 composed of 9 and 3, multiplication of 9 and 3. So from the first term, if we first that is from 36, if we take 9 as common, we are left with 4, and from the second, if we take 3 as common, we are left with 14, minus this 1 gives us 1. So now we can easily just do this. So if we simplify this, we will get 11 over 12. So 11 over 12 into 3240 over x, 27 into this gives us 56 minus 1, that is 55. So we can now easily solve this. It would gives us 270, 27, 10. Therefore if we cancel with 5, we will get 2. Therefore value for x will be 2. So this is all about this video. So if you just practice it properly, it will be very easy to tackle this type of percentage questions, to solve these simplifications in your mind. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.